Alright, we here so now building a ramp for wheelchair access and a step. So this is how it goes. We are coming up from here, going to landing there, coming up here, going to next landing there, and coming on this step. This step is moving and a block wall is coming here. At the side here now is going to be another step that going up here, going around here, and coming back to this landing. So what we did first is we draw everything with spray paint. So that if any errors you will see. Now when we done make the draw line now, we spray paint it and then we get a nail and draw the line. So we could physically see how the landing and the ramp work out. As you can see here, we was able to, we had 6 risers from the whole existing step, which is 6 inch. So it come out to 3 feet 7 inches. So we come down 14, 16, we come down another 16 because it slopes. So here we come at this time. So what next move we can do is clean off all the contaminated material like the dirt off the footing path, so that we can lay the footing, block it with blocks, mix it with pour it, and that stuff. So certain areas that strong we will leave, but like this area, this got serious contaminated issues, so we can get the healthy and dig through this. The next area we can dig through here, but we put it on a 2 feet footing on here.